Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12, changing the front flex. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Removing display panel. Removing front flex. Removing necessary elements. Place the flex to a holder. Removing sensors. Preparing sensor chips to install in a new front flex. Installing the sensors. Now checking.
Murdo, 30 sekund.
Dobra.
And that's it. We've successfully changed the iPhone 12 front flex. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.